Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to install the Google Wallet payment app on Samsung A37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on Google app. After click on Google app, click on search and search wallet app. After search wallet app and you will see click on Google Wallet and here showing you install. Click on install and click on open. After click on open you will see and enter your card number, card pin, and you will see Google Wallet is installed. So that's how you can install the Google Wallet payment app on Samsung A37. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.